I'm Matt from Technical Service. You probably remember me from the Intercontinental map replacement video that you've already watched. Today, we're going to walk through an Intercontinental map restoration. In other words, we're going to take your bike back to the original regional maps that you had on the bike at the time of purchase. To do that, we're going to need three things again. We're going to need the bike, the computer, and a blank USB drive. Minimum of 16 gigabytes and formatted as FAT32. To start the process, we're going to take the drive and we're going to start at the computer. Let's get started. With the Boombox GTS Toolbox started on your computer and a USB drive plugged in with a fingerprint from the bike, we can go ahead and log into the account. At the login screen, you're going to go ahead and get into the update section and select the original map region for your vehicle. At the bottom of the screen, there should be an install button. There shouldn't be a buy icon, as you've already had that map database in your bike. By clicking install, we're going to begin the download process from the files to the USB drive. Now that we've downloaded the files to the USB, we can take the USB, remove it from the computer, and take it over to the bike to continue on with the process. Now take the USB with the map content on it to the vehicle. Plug it in. Select Install to take the bike back to the original US maps from the European maps we had previously installed. Now that the download's been completed, you can remove the USB drive. Now that we're done, the map database in the bike is back to the original map that came with the vehicle. Thanks for watching. Remember to throw us a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.